Hello students, let's continue our chapter My Childhood. So when APJ asked his father to allow him to go to the Ramanathapuram, which was the district headquarters for the higher studies. So in reply, his father told him that he knew that the APJ needed to go away so that he could move ahead in life. He gave the example of a seagull which flies away in the sky all alone and does not have a nest. It means it does not have a home of its own as it keeps on flying from place to place. You know, a seagull is actually is a bird, is a water bird actually, and it's her importance and her feature is as she keep on flying and flying, moving high and high above in the sky, and she don't have any nest permanently, and she keep flying alone. She don't fly in the group. So APJ's father gave him the example of seagull. When his mother came to know that he was about to leave home, he wanted to go to the Ramanathapuram for the higher studies. She got a little upset. You know, she is a mother. She get scared that I may be apart from my son. So she got little upset. APJ's father tried to calm her, and calm her down, and told her a few lines from the famous poem titled Your Children, and which is written by the Khalil Gibran. He said that your children are not your children actually. They are the children of life. Don't think that you can rule your children. They are the result of the life desire for itself. They have their own thoughts. He asked her to give them freedom to fill their thoughts. As his mother got upset, so his father tried to cool him down by reciting a poem, by telling her the meaning of that poem, and the name of the poem is Your Children, which is written by the Khalil Gibran. And he told her that the children, they did not belong to you. The children did not belong to her, but were a result of a life desire for itself. APJ's father asked her to give them freedom to fulfill their thoughts. ही उनको समझाया कि बच्चों की थॉट्स को, उनके डिज़ायर को फुलफ़िल होने में हमें कोई हर्डल नहीं बननी चाहिए. हमें ये नहीं चाहिए कि हम उनकी किसी भी ऊंचाई की तरफ बढ़ने की या आगे बढ़ने की उनकी जो भी ख्वाहिश है उसमें किसी तरह की कोई रुकावट बन के आए. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी शुड बी ग्रेट सपोर्ट फॉर देम. सो when the parents sacrifice for the development, for the progress of their child, then the people of the APJ Abdul Kalam served the world, or you can say served the nation. So here the chapter is over. This is the story of a great scientist, great president, and above all, he was a great human being. So I request you all to read out her complete autobiography, The Wings of Fire. That's it for today's story.